During these last 12 years, the use of Dante audio networking has revolutionized the cable and connectivity infrastructure seen at live events and music venues. Being able to carry hundreds of audio channels in ultra-high definition through simple Cat5 and fiber optic cables has dramatically reduced the number and thickness of cables required, with less weight to carry, less clutter on stage, faster setup and breakdown times, and lower cost. Since 2012, Yamaha has built Dante into its professional digital mixers, I/O racks and audio processors. Now, the DZR range of powered loudspeakers brings Dante networking right to the endpoints of the audio signal chain. What benefit is that going to bring? Will it improve the sound of the system? Will it reduce setup time? Will it save truck space? Will it be easier to manage and control during an event? Especially when partnered with a DM7 compact or the DM3 digital mixer, all the answers are yes. Allow me to explain, starting with the sound. Yamaha's DZR range of powered loudspeakers and the accompanying range of DXS XLF powered subwoofers are already designed with high power and performance in mind. 15mm plywood cabinets with butterfly joints, coated in military-grade polyurea, ensure low resonance and reduced rattle. Rotatable horns ensure optimal coverage angles whether the loudspeakers are used vertically or horizontally, while their constant directivity ensures even and predictable coverage for the listeners. The 2000 watt internal Class D amplifiers are highly efficient and are perfectly matched to the installed transducers, providing ample power for all styles of music and sound, while employing self-monitoring protection logic to ensure optimum performance and extended component life. The fact that all the digital signal processing in the DZR range runs at 96 kHz is one of the key advantages when pairing them with DM7 and DM3 mixers, which also run natively at 96 kHz. This results in lower latency, higher rhythmic accuracy for transient sounds, and cleaner high-frequency response. The advanced FIR-X tuning technology developed for the DZR series uses linear phase finite impulse response filters to realize an exceptionally smooth frequency plot with impressive sound imaging. Use the accurate EQ filtering in the DZR series, or even use the output presets in the DM3 mixer to achieve the ideal clarity at high sound pressure levels without signal degradation. Using a Dante network rather than analog cabling has multiple advantages. The first of which is that you minimize the possibility of interference and noise which long analog cables can pick up. Any loss of signal level due to long loudspeaker cables is completely avoided. The stage area will also require less cabling. DZR series allows a daisy chain or in-series connections, so you don't need loads of speaker cables returning to the stage box or amp rack. Connect one loudspeaker to another in series with up to 10 devices. Or use a network switch to strategically split the connections between stage left and right, front and back, for example. Cat 5e or Cat 6 cables are lightweight and low cost. Add nitric ethercon terminations to make them just as rugged as a typical XLR. Use shielded cables for electromagnetic protection with stage-ready coating for extra durability. Fewer and shorter cables means quicker setup and pack-up, and a smaller cable trunk for easier transport and loading. That's not the only cabling advantage with DZR powered loudspeakers, because they also have 2 analog inputs and 2 analog outputs built in. They can be used as additional ins and outs for the Dante network. The analog outputs could be connected to regular powered loudspeakers, or in-ear monitor packs, or even a drummer's stool shaker, bringing a unique output from the mixing desk via Dante right to the point where it's needed. While the inputs could be used for instruments or microphones that don't require remote adjustments from the mixing desk, such as ambient mics, a keyboard or synthesizer, or a DI from DTX electronic drums. It's another way to reduce the need for long analog cables, creating trip hazards on stage. Keep them short and let the Dante network carry the signals back to the mixing desk. Coiling up long cables after an event is the slowest, dirtiest work. Reducing the need for them will save a tremendous amount of time and effort. Moving back to the mixing desk, let's see what advantages using the DM7 Compact or the even more portable DM3 can provide, in addition to the high-quality 96 kHz operation and Dante networking. Let's explore the DM3 first. This includes output channel EQ presets to help quickly find the right sound for the event, whether it's in a small or large room or outside. Each speaker type has tailor-made EQ curves to get you started quickly. DM3 can directly manage the Dante patching with up to 8 DZR or DXS XLF powered loudspeakers and subwoofers. Just be sure to give them ID numbers between 1 and 8. You could handle left and right main speakers, a subwoofer, and 5 floor monitors, for example. DM3 has an auto setup for the Dante patch, which is perfect for a quick and simple configuration. For more complex patching, such as feeding Dante signals to the DZR analog outputs, use Dante controller software on a connected computer. Or upgrade to the DM7 Compact digital mixing console. DM7 Compact can manage the connections with up to 24 Dante devices, and it provides additional control and monitoring. It has an identify function to help you find which loudspeaker is selected. It displays the connection status and whether the device is controllable. Of course, the whole DZR range is controllable from DM7 series, so directly from the mixer you can control the output level and mute status. You can even set delay times, high-pass filter frequency, and enable speaker EQ. In addition, you can keep an eye on the input and output meters, the status monitors, and the current speaker preset used. This will save a lot of time and energy from walking between mixing desk and performance area just to check and adjust those parameters, especially if you also have sets of delay or surround speakers set up towards the rear of the audience. To see more detailed settings about using Dante with DM7 and DM3 and learn about their other advantages, Look out for my other training videos on this channel. It has never been easier or faster to bring a high quality, high performance, professional sound system to a live event. And when it comes to packing and hauling, you'll see such a versatile and powerful system has never been lighter weight or more compact. Use Dante with DZR D series and Yamaha's latest range of DM series digital mixers. The combination that equips you to do more.